Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. AirTask 24-hour high back posture chair. Features: designed for shift workers in call centres, ambulance service, offshore facilities, police and security personnel, the AirTask is EN 5459 compliant and tested for heavy-duty 24/7 contract use. AirTask is packed full of ergonomic benefits and is UK chiropractor approved. The pocket-sprung seat pad particularly benefits sitters with lower back, disc, sciatic or pelvic problems. And the waterfall front offers dynamic support throughout the day, encourages healthy posture, improved blood flow and helps to reduce muscle fatigue. This high-back executive chair is fitted with an inflatable lumbar support by means of an adjustable airbag in the backrest. To adjust the chair to your body, inflate the airbag, sit in the chair and press the deflate button to the preferred level, like this. The backrest is height adjustable via an easy-to-use ratchet system, positioning the backrest at the optimum height for each user. By lifting the rear right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. The seat slide is operated by the lever at the front right-hand side of the chair. Pull the lever up and slide the seat into position. Let go of the lever to lock the seat into position. The synchronised tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Push the lever forward to lock the mechanism into the required position and pull the lever back to unlock the mechanism, allowing the chair to float freely. The innovative weight tension control automatically adjusts to your body weight throughout the recline for support regardless of stature. For a more ergonomic experience, unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The chair is fitted with chrome detail height adjustable armrests topped with adjustable arm pads. The AirTask is set on a durable polished aluminium 5-star base with twin wheel hooded casters as standard. The chair is fully upholstered in blue, black, grey, red or wine fabric. A TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 and fabrics to EN 1021. AirTask is offered with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 24 hours use per day and is available from stock. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.